I'm not lying when I say this is one of the best Shadiyo wala korma you have to try. To make the special spice mix, you are going to dry roast and then grind the whole spices. Go ahead and caramelize your onions, take them out and add your lamb or goat. Cook it for 4 to 5 minutes or until it is nice and golden. Add in ginger, garlic and all of the spices. Mix everything and keep cooking for another 4 to 5 minutes. Add in 4 cups of water and cook it on medium-low heat until meat is tender. You can also do this step in an instant pot. Let's make the yogurt mixture by adding yogurt, almonds, and caramelized onions. Once your meat is almost cooked, you are going to add this mixture into the meat and a little bit of more water. Keep cooking for another 15 minutes. Sprinkle the special spice mix and enjoy.